Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into SEMrush bulk backlink analysis tool. This tool is available within link building under bulk analysis. Basically, it allows you to bulk analyze your competitors or list of your domains up to 200 domains or URLs at a time. You can also enter the URLs or domains here. Select a result scope here, whether it's auto, root domain, subdomain or URL. Where auto, it will detect on its own to see them whichever them which most suited for the URL you are entered. Click on compare. Once you clicked on compare, I have entered around 187 links for my competitor. It will go and find all the details related to go authority scope, backlinks, domain which is attached a link backing to, monthly visit, follow, no follow, text based link, image based link. All the data will be shown here. So those data will be showed under bulk based backlink analysis. You can visit the domain directly here, or you can click on any of this link. All of them are linked back to relevant tools within the SEMrush tool to give you more depth. For example, if I see a good domain and I want to see all of their backlinks, I just need to click on that backlink count. It will show me that domain with that backlink count opened up for me. Can see it is still opening up. Once it's done, I will see that backlink. What is the backlink? Who are the backlinks these guys are getting the backlink from? I will see all the data from here. So that is what bulk backlink analysis within SEMrush is able to do. You can also filter this out. Like you can sort it from a higher point of view or a lower point of view. You can do all those things as well.